How's it going, guys? Josh and John here, and today
we are going to be doing some spark plug replacements.
Yep, that and trying to fix the mist in the car, do the vacuum leak. Probably one of the last videos on it. I mean, yeah. Let's get this started. Today we got Noah today, and we're trying to get this heater working.
It's snowing outside.
Yeah, it's literally snowing.
Like, probably got seen that video because it's like drizzling.
Yeah, I don't know why this heater ain't working.
I don't know.
Yeah, we don't have a full house this time. It's just me, Josh, and Noah today. Guys, you got the heater working, and let me tell you, I am so happy you got it working. First step of doing spark plugs, guys, is taking off this top cover. Yeah, taking off this top cover. I know these videos aren't like car tutorials, but like you can kind of kindly follow along with them.
Yeah.
If you need to.
We have to do that. We'll make check for the air leak first. That way, when we get it all apart, we'll know where it's already at.
Okay.
Come on,
guys, it's like snowing a winter wonderland right now. Yeah, if we went in a carport, I don't know how possible this would be.
It'd be even better. I'm gonna close my porch and just soaking wet.
I'm just glad we're in a carport. Yeah, you might want to close that down.
Oh, that's where this crap comes from.
Guys, it's like, yeah, like it actually got worse since my last little clip.
Like, does it look it's like bad on the camera?
No, yeah, it looks bad. Yeah, look, it looks bad on the camera.
It's like actually bad in real life.
Yeah.
Like you can't. There's no good visibility.
It's like a winter wonderland out here.
It's coming in on us.
We're thinking about getting that tarp and just hanging it up.
John's actually doing something for once.
Oh my God.
Just kidding. Finally figured out what to do though.
Yeah,
Noah did. He saw or rushed the video he watched and pieced it together.
We loosened up all these 8 bolts. Make sure you keep them orientated.
Yep. Right here.
Because they're all just a little bit different, so we got to kind of like ready to go. Yep. Then you're gonna take the intake off. Remove that hose. There's one here to remove. There's something to remove here. I don't know. Noah can tell you better.
That goes right here.
Yeah, that goes right here. So that'll come off and that'll come off.
You might just slide it off. I don't think you actually take it all the way off.
Yep. Oh wow. I've actually never seen any under here. Is it bad if snow gets in them holes?
I see down your engine.
The snow's kindly lit up and the sun's coming out.
Yeah.
So it should start melting.
That tarp should still up stuff in the wind.
Guys, I don't know if I updated the camera on that, but we put up a tarp because it got so bad.
Ocean noise.
Yeah. Well, we've got the first like coil off and it's already ratcheting the spark plug out. So I'll let you all get a look at that. The coil was actually
like loose. John, what's not focused for?
It is now.
There you go. There it is.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of rusty looking now.
That don't look good. It don't look so hot, does it?
No.
Like, what is it?
Yeah, I've definitely seen better. Yeah, I don't know what that crap on it is.
Well, guys, if you guys know what that is on the spark plug, let me know in the comments below. Let's record from right here. That's probably why they're coming out so easy. Alrighty. Number 2's going in. Just got this boot out. Just can you show me a light?
Yep.
Yeah, this is kind of what it's looking like so far. Yeah, you can actually see it in the camera. That's pretty cool. A little better.
I'm just cleaning this out. I just blinded Noah. Well, I may have found the vacuum leak.
Really? Where?
Right there. That? Is that it? I think so. I guess we'll see. I hope it is. Oh, yeah, I see that little hole.
I think that's it. Here's our problem, and now, oh my God, I hate this camera. We're gonna see if Advanced can help us out. All right, let's go on Advanced. Okay, guys, so they didn't have well, they did have it, but they have to order it, and as soon as they can get it, it's tomorrow at like 1:30. So me and Josh are gonna get back together tomorrow. Noah can't make it because he's got to go back to school, but understandable. We'll see if I can't get my dad on the case, and we'll see if we can't get that vacuum leak plugged up. I already got paid for the hose, and just got to go pick it up from Advance tomorrow.
It'll probably nighttime by the time I even get over here.
Yeah, it'll probably be nighttime tomorrow. But after the inconvenience, we're going to at least finish the spark plug job.
Wait.
Yeah, that one's lubed up.
Oh my gosh, it's really old up.
It's old up. Yeah. What my spark plugs are looking like right now. So yeah, there's all 6. All right, guys, it's day 2.
Day 2, we are back.
So it's just me and Josh.
Uh-oh.
You guys are probably like, uh-oh, but no, we got this.
Uh-oh.
Because like we never do
Nothing's
nothing
going
hardly. So yeah, let's move this cover. Let me get this camera turned around. But yeah, it's day 2, so let's see if we can't put this stuff back together. Now as for how does everything go back, you know what? That's a good question.
We'll figure that out as we go.
We'll figure that out as we go. You know that? So, well, from what I can like eyeball.
Oh, these are missing.
So
This
Well,
right here is to go back on, wherever that is.
I know this talking
Where's this
take.
case at, Jeff?
This is in the car,
That's
guys.
next
So we just got the new pipe in. Hopefully that works.
Yeah, hopefully that works.
If not, next time we work on it, we'll have to take it back apart. Okay.
Oh, that one's tighter. All right.
Yeah, guys, we're getting these
Is this
tightened
one
up.
ready? Should be.
Tightening those lifts, you know. We got this. Well, I'm just actually really happy it's actually being bolted in. That's a
Me
really
too.
good thing.
That's a big relief.
That's a big relief. We got the pipe in, like.
Oh, that's. Okay, that should be snug.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, that's not going nowhere. Sweet.
Oh, what is there on the side?
All right, guys. So we just got this snugged up, and it's kind of hard to work and record at the same time, but I'll try to start doing a little
Especially
more.
at nighttime.
Yeah, especially at nighttime. So we've got this now, and I'm pretty sure it bolts right there. So, all right, guys, we just got everything hooked up.
Surprisingly.
I think so, anyway.
John?
Huh? What?
What are these holes for?
Huh? Oh, those were there. Yeah, we're just
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So we'll just ignore that.
Yeah, that was there before. All right, guys. So we hear like a humongous like air sound, and I don't know if like I just don't know if it's like the way it's sounding or like or if there's something like that ain't in right or. See, I just don't know. Yeah, it just seemed like to me, you know, they're all in, they're all good to go, but. That couldn't be. I mean, that could not be the case, but I don't know. But we're gonna air the tires up and take it up to my dad's house and see what he says. Okay, guys. So I've got some bad news. The spark plugs that we put in the freaking car.
They are not the right spark
They are
plugs.
not the right.
Different numbers. We should have known. We saw the long threads and the short threads. We said, let's just screw them in. It'll fit.
I guess we should have compared them before we put it in.
We compared it. We just thought they would work.
I'm gonna have to tell Noah.
We thought the parts in the trunk. It works.
That just sucks so bad. Like
That is a lot of work.
that's gonna be. We're gonna have to retake all that crap off.
I hope Noah would help us.
Yeah, we're gonna have to have Noah next time. Like we're gonna absolutely have to have him. He's gonna have to bring that dangly socket again. So guys, we're taking out the old. Well, they're not old, but I mean I guess they are kind of old. But taking out these spark plugs because it's the wrong ones. So that's one.
No. You should just film
Got Noah here today.
There's a lot, dude. I ain't sure. It looks like trial and error. That's what it looks like. Like, you know.
Yeah.
So it looks like we had actually worked on it and stuff.
Okay, guys, we're scared because the threading isn't matching up, kind of. But we'll see. So yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, definitely a difference.
Yeah, difference. Oh well, we'll see.
It's like moss dropping your charger. No. Oh, like right there.
Yeah, I see that. That's why I say I need moss.
It'll just keep it fresh.
I'm worried about this. As long as it's not like shaking violently and all that stuff.
The whole steering wheel and floorboards was shaking last time. Probably should maybe left the parking lot too.
Okay, guys, we are almost done putting it all back together. And no, I'm not just standing around recording doing nothing. I actually bolted some stuff in.
Yeah, you quit on me. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
All right, let's see. Here we go.
Oh yeah. That sounds good, don't it? Does it? Sound better or worse?
It sounds a whole lot better. Let me feel inside of it.
Yeah, let's see the shaking.
No shaking.
Really?
No shaking.
No way. That's awesome. Oh yes, that's good.
That is good. Let's later get warmed
It
up.
kind of smells like. I think I found one here.
What's that smell? Huh? Is your phone wet?
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. Yeah. It sounds good. I'm just hoping that mist is gone now.
Like a bunch of
Yeah.
leaves come out.
No, don't turn it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Later on. Get out. You're good.
Yep. Let you listen to the muffler. No, it's good. Come listen to this. It's not shaking in there, is it? Is it shaking in there?
No.
Okay. Listen to it, Josh. I don't hear any stuttering.
I don't hear no air.
I don't either.
That air was loud last time.
Dude, this thing's crazy.
First test drive on the main
spark
highway.
Plugs.
Yeah, the spark plugs are in. Well, we're just cruising along. It's riding so good now.
Yeah, it is. It's riding along here. I feel like. At least it sounds better. We're almost to the stop.
Yeah, we're getting close to the gas station. We're gonna get us a big pizza, a victory pizza.
A victory pizza. Put it up there. That way I can see. Well, I can see your whole time awesome.